Welcome back to Operation Readiness topic. Today I want to touch on one of the OR process, define project operation strategies, maintenance. Diving into project operation strategies, it is a massive undertaking, covering everything from maintenance, automations to health, safety, environment, and procurement. A crucial first step in any robust maintenance plan is defining the equipment criticality. This helps pro- prioritize resources where they matter the most, preventing any costly downtime. What makes a piece of equipment critical? My list include extremely expensive equipment, extremely expensive hourly costs when under repair, where it stops will provoke a partial or total production shutdown, no backup equipment, dangerous equipment, and so on and so on. This covered the basic, but the experience is the best teacher. Let's connect if you want to know more, and also regarding the mitigation strategies.